All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to look at Rune. So Rune, I think the top is in for Rune here. The red line here on the chart is representing macro support and resistance on the 3-day and the weekly chart. So that's the reason you're getting stuck where you're getting stuck. So for Rune to stay bullish here, you can see we are over the 200-day moving average. You really need to hold on to this 130 area. If you can stay over 130 on Rune, then you may get a shot at another bounce back up to this macro resistance area here. But what you do not want to do, you do not want to come down, which you already are. Whenever your next candle spawns in, you do not want to do this and get stuck, because then you're probably going to come right back down. So just be cautious of that. Or if you have some candles spawn in and you come back up and not quite up to that 145 level, you would be making a lower high. And then at that point, you'd probably just fall off the table. But I do think the top is in for Rune here, just for the fact that it's up so much. It's at this macro resistance here. So we'll see how it plays out. I mean, the money flow is over the top here, so is the stock RSI. That usually indicates a top is being put in here. Heikin-Ashi candles, of course, are printing green, as you can see here from this move up. So that's not really telling us much. It could roll over to red at any moment here. Switching back to the regular candles here. So what I would watch for on Rune is this is going to be your top. Like I said, if you stay over 130, you could potentially drop about 6%. But if you can hold that 130 and even your 200-day EMA, which is currently at 128. So 128 to 130 is your price to hold here for now. I'm going to go ahead and draw a box here on the chart. So as long as Rune can hold this box, you have a shot at being still bullish and pushing higher at some point. So this is the price you want to hold. From this downtrend here, you can see the moving averages with a huge gap here, and they are curling up now. So if this move is going to continue and it's just, not just a fake out, then you really want to hold the box here for a move higher. And you can see on the chart we have our next white line up here. I guess I should turn that red. Let me go ahead and get our measuring tool out. So we'll do it from where you are now. If you continue to go back up, you're looking at about a 4.5% to get back to 145. And if you can manage to break through that macro resistance at 145, the next stop is 170. And you're looking at about a 23% move. So you really want to break over 145 here. Hold that as support, and then we'll start looking at these higher price targets on Rune. But like I said, this is more likely than not your top for now on Rune, and you will come back. So from the low to the high, if you hold 130, you're good. You could still even potentially come down here to the 382 or the 0.5 retracement at 121 and 114 and still be bullish here for a push higher. But you're super bullish if you can hold on to 130 and stay above the 200-day EMA here. So if you are going to come down and you do take out 130, look for the 382 at 120 for about an 11.5% drop, and then your 0.5 retracement here, where you'll still be alive technically at 114 for about a 16% drop. But I would say any lower than that, then it's going to have a deep retracement back all the way down here to $1, more likely than not. So we will leave it at that for now on Rune. Good luck, everyone. Hopefully you guys are taking some profit on this one, and we will see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.